Good afternoon, everybody. Family and Steve here once again. It is Saturday, August the 5th. This is a modern media air conditioning unit. We got this, I think, about a couple of months ago, and I'm just around to making a video of it. Little update on the air conditioning unit that we were using in here before this, which was the uh, the the old Kenmore. Um, Jordan told me that it was from the 90s, but anyway, the old heating and air conditioning unit uh, failed on us a while back. Um, we were all convinced that it pretty much had lived up its life. I mean, it was getting to where it was just making a racket, and we don't know if it had something to do with the motor or if it was the blade. Um, but that has failed on us, and that one is long gone. And wanted to make a video of it, but I just never got around to it. But we have something. We have something better now. We have this. I think we got this about a couple of months ago, and it is made by Media. There are the settings here. There is the positions for the fan as well as the air conditioning, and there is the temperature adjustment, the thermostat, whatever you want to call it, and we have it on maximum there. This is a really nice air conditioner. Packs quite a punch for this little thing. Keeps the room cool. We run it pretty much constantly. This is the damper here. And there's the filter. We haven't gotten around to cleaning it just yet. Media has made even some other electronics, such as some fans that I had seen. Not very familiar with this company, but maybe I can look it up and get some information on it. The air conditioner is a jet black color. And this is the power cord to it. I'm going to go and outside and have a look at the back. But first, we'll see if we can get the information here. There's the model number, and there are the electricals. And there's the horsepower. It draws about under 121 horsepower. Take your time to read all of that if need be. I'm sure that this was maybe it was American made or if it was assembled in China. I'm not too sure. There's the barcode. Gonna turn it on. And there's a look at the inside. I'm not exactly sure if you can get a... Maybe we can. Oh, okay. Well, there's the inside. Maybe you can see the fan in there. You see the blue back there, then that's the fan. Let's go ahead and fire it up now. Let's fire it up. First, let's turn it on the high cool. know if I sound a little stuffy. I've been outside doing a project today. It has a good performance on this. Putting out a nice gentle breeze. Definitely something you can use on a warmer day where it's not so hot. Turn it to the low cool. Let's turn it off. Okay, now we will turn it on by the air conditioning position, starting on the high cool. Setting. It's very quiet, not loud at all. Let's turn it back to high. This is pretty much the setting that we keep it on 24 hours. Okay, let's go outside and we will see it on the outside. Figured I'd give you a good look at the crepe myrtles out here too, by the way. Add that as a bonus. Ooh, a butterfly. Seeing a lot of those around here lately. Front of the house is accumulated in the petals there. There's the other ones. Okay, I'll take you to the air conditioner now. Okay, now we are on the outside. Look from the inside of the unit. There's the Freon tank there. There's some of the wiring and whatnot. See if we can some information off of that motor. Stink plug in there, looks like. Hopefully you can get that. Okay, see that water in there? It should have a drainage at the bottom. Oh, yes it does. Okay, so there it is. There's our old air conditioning unit here. Fortunately, we no longer have the box. It's long gone. Don't know what the date is, but I'm sure that it can't be any more than maybe about a year or so old. Anyway, I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Thought that I would give you a video of one of my air conditioners, with it still being summertime. This is one of our flowers here. Little buds on them there. Piece of a squash there on the ground. Ugh. With a fly on it. Another shot of the crepe myrtles there. I know this is an air conditioning video, but I just figured that I'd give you all a good shot of our summertime yard here. There's that sun there in the back. You see the air conditioners there, and throughout the other rooms of the house. Well, okay, everybody. Well, I hope that you all have enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to comment, tell me what you think, and please like and subscribe, and more videos to come soon. See you later. Bye-bye.